"5:43 a.m. We are loading up and ready for our journey to Los Angeles, California. 5:50 a.m. and we are leaving the Marin Suites. It's been amazing. We approached the Golden Gate Bridge this morning. It is heavy fog. Golden Gate Bridge at 6 a.m. this morning. Thick, heavy fog. We now have daybreak. And we've got out of that very heavy fog. Welcome to day 11. We've had an amazing time in San Francisco and the weather's been beautiful for us. But it's now time to head back to Los Angeles. And Los Angeles is going to greet us with the hottest day of the year. We're looking at 104. Come and join us. There we go, daylight. Sun is about to come up. We're now on the 101. Heading to Gilroy. I have 123 miles for the first rest area. We have arrived at Gilroy. What's Gilroy famous for?
Garlic.
Yeah, whatever you want here. Garlic ice cream, garlic anything. Breathe in.
Ooh, smell garlic.
If you like garlic, come to Gilroy. Gilroy is named after John Gilroy, who was a Scotsman who emigrated to California in the 1800s. And it's now become the garlic capital of the world. All the crops are mostly garlic. The fog has come quite a good way inland. We are back in the fog. 338 miles to LA. Approaching Salinas. Salinas located 13 miles east of the Pacific Ocean. Right, mileage: San Luis Obispo 124, LA 328. All the ocean fog is just down at the bottom of the hills there. A lot of fog coming last night. A lot of agriculture in this area. Not too sure what those crops are going to be. There's hundreds and hundreds of miles of crops. Look at that, it's completely covered the landscape with crops. Not too sure what they are. Okay, Paseo Robles 34, 267 to Los Angeles. Starting to get a lot of change of scenery now as we head further south. Well, the fog has gone now. It's a beautiful day. 3 hours later, 200 miles from San Francisco, we're at Camp Roberts and we're going to take a little rest. And it sure is a beautiful day. Stop is Lost Hills, California, 78 miles. We're going to have something to eat. Arrival is 10:47 a.m. There's plenty to look at on the way down. Scenery changes constantly. Okay, we're approaching Paseo Robles. We're going to take the 46 east. Paseo Robles, right on the Salinas River, and it's known for its hot springs. Always somebody on this corner wanting a lift. I don't know where she wants to go. Let's see on a sign. where its scenery now is dramatically changing. The scenery is spectacular. Very, very unusual. There's miles and miles of empty land in California. To the left is Parkfield, earthquake capital of California, and the junction here, there's the James Dean Memorial, and there's a sign here coming up, and there you go, James Dean Memorial Junction. Now we're going to continue to Lost Hills. I hope you're all enjoying day 11 on this journey back to Los Angeles. And it's certainly not boring scenery. Plenty to look at. Lovely hills. Little like stream down there as well. 21 miles to go to Lost Hills. 15 miles to go. I think we've decided we're going to eat at Carl's Jr. One thing that we're noticing now is the temperatures are rising. It's now 91. It's actually like miraging at the front there, the road. And there's James Dean. It's gas time. I'm going to give them 25 bucks. And let's show you inside here. Oh, it's scorching hot here. It's actually brutal at the moment. $4.25 and 9/10. Right. Non-stop to Los Angeles almost. Going to make a quick stop in Valencia as we head in. I'm going to go and have a look at where the Paul Walker crash area was. Come with us. Right, so an update. It's 108 miles to Valencia, so not too bad. 72 mile from Valencia, 108 from Los Angeles, and we are now coming up to 97 degrees. Currently at 1,300 feet, and we're going to climb through the Grapevine and over into Los Angeles. 2,000 feet, and the ears are popping like crazy, and the scenery incredible. This is the Teon Pass, currently 3,129 feet, and a lot of the winter days this gets blocked by snow. Can you believe it? We're now 4,172 feet in the air, and we're starting to go down. Looks as though we've reached... Here we go, we've arrived 301 back home in beautiful Glendale. We have completed the trip.